Hello everyone, welcome to Linux Vasan channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to become the man in the middle in a network. Now to become the man in the middle in a network, so here I will be using the framework called Bettercap. So with the help of the Bettercap framework, I will show you how to capture the data from the client system. So here I have the Windows client system is available, and then I have a server, that is a kalli server is available. So this is the server I am going to use in this tutorial. So from the kalli server, I will try to intercept the network connection with the help of the Betterwork framework. By using this Bettercap framework, we can do the following task, like we can spoof the target with the help of the ARP protocol. We can sniff the data, the URLs, the usernames, passwords, and many more. And also we can bypass the HTTPS from the web browser. We can redirect the domain request by using the DNS spoofing. And also we can inject some code in the loaded web pages and many more. We can do it with the Bettercap framework. So now let me check the IP address of my Windows system. So ipconfig is the command which will tell you the IP address. So 192.168.129.129 is the IP address of my Windows system. And let me check the ARP cache table information by using the ARP-A, and this command will list you the IP address then followed by the MAC address of that system. So all the associated IP address and their physical address, that is a MAC address, is showing here. So here 192.168.129.2, this is the gateway IP address, and the router MAC address here it is showing. Now let me check the IP address of my kalli server. So if config is the command followed by the network adapter name. So ETH0 is the logical name of the network adapter, and the IP address of my kalli server is 192.168.129.128. Now let me check the ARP cache table information from the kalli server. The same command we can also apply on the Linux based machine, ARP-A. Yes. So 192.168.129.2. This is the gateway IP address and its MAC address. Both are same. You can check it out from the Windows machine also. The router MAC address it is showing here. So once I start attacking the Windows client machine from the kalli server, so here the MAC address will get changed. The router MAC address will change to the hacker machine's MAC address. So that I will show you how to do that one. Now I am going to become the man in the middle attack by using the Bettercap command. So Bettercap, and followed by the option called iFace, which is used to mention the interface name. And here the network interface name is ETH0. And press the enter button. And the next one is you can use the help command to list all the available options, the parameters, and what is the status, we can check it out. The next step what you have to do is you have to turn on the net.probe, that parameter to online status. So you can also use the command called help and followed by net.probe. So this will tell you so how to apply the options, so how to turn on the net probe, everything. See here net.probe on. So by using this variable, we can start the network host probing in the background. Now I am going to run that command net.probe, then followed by the option called N. That's it. And this is another way of discovering the connected clients very quickly with the help of the Bettercap framework. Now again run the help command, and this time you can see the net.probe and the net.recon. So both the variables are running. And when you start executing the net.probe to online status, by default the next parameter, that is the net.recon, this will also come to online. So this module got turned on automatically by the Bettercap. The main reason for this is because net.probe sends the probe request to all the possible IPs, and if we get a response from the net.recon, will be the one detecting this response by monitoring the ARP cache table, and then it will add all these IP address in a nice list so that we can target them. So because of this net.recon is running, we can execute the command. So run the command net.show. It will tell you all the connected clients in a very neat list. Net.show. You can see here. So these are all the IP address that got connected in this network and their MAC address details, the name of the interface, the system name, the vendor details, the packet sent and received. So all the information it will display on the screen in a very neat list. The next one is we need to enable another one parameter, that is set arp.spoof. arp.spoof then followed by the full duplex. So full duplex means it will capture all the packets that are transmitting in this network. And that too, true we have to give. The next one, set arp.spoof dot targets. So targets in the sense the IP address you would like to target. So in this example, I'm going to target my Windows client system. The IP address of my Windows client system is 192.168.129.129. This is the Windows client system IP. As soon as I hit the enter button, it will update. Then last parameter is arp.spoof, then followed by the option called on. Then enter. So now this parameter will start capturing all the data that is being transferred from this Windows machine. Now I'm going to the Windows system and I'm going to check the ARP cache details once again. So this time, as you can see here, the router's IP address and its MAC address got changed. See here? So this is the MAC ID of my hacker system, that is a kalli server. So before it was showing the original physical address of your router. This is the original physical address of your router. So as soon as I try to become the man in the middle attack, the MAC address got changed to the hacker system. So in this way, you can become the man in the middle in a network. The next one is we have to capture all the data from the Windows client. Now to capture all these data, a new module comes with the Bettercap Framework. And what it does means that will automatically capture all of these data, analyze it, and show me the interesting stuff like the website you have visited, the password, the URL, and many more information. So now all we have to do is to tell the Bettercap Framework to capture all of the data that is flowing through this computer and analyze it for me. So that we have to tell it to the Bettercap Framework. And to do this, we can use one module called net.sniff. Okay, that you have to turn it on. And if you don't know how to turn it on, means you can use the help command, help, then followed by the module called net.sniff. And this will tell you how to turn on the module net.sniff. So now I'm going to turn on this module net.sniff, then followed by the option. So this will start the network sniffer in the background. It will capture all the data. And then now go to the Windows system and open your browser to visit some website. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we will try to capture all the data that are transmitting from this Windows machine. Now let me go to the Windows machine and try to visit some website. I'll open the Chrome browser. So I'm going to a website called facebook.com. So whatever I'm typing, so everything will get captured from the hacker server, as you can see here, and hit the enter button from the Windows machine. See the Facebook. So now I'm using the Facebook website. So everything will get captured on the kalli server. I'm going to give some demo username and then some demo password. Okay. So as soon as I hit the enter button, this username and this password followed by the link. So everything will get captured from the kalli server. So like this, you can become the man in the middle attack with the help of the Bettercap Framework in the kalli server. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how to create some customized spoofing script to become the man in the middle attack. Thank you for watching.